And by 1900, children in playgrounds had come up with the famous kind of hopscotch jumping rope rhyme that some of you know. Lizzie Borden took an axe and gave her mother 40 whacks. And when she saw what she had done, she gave her father 41. Lizzie is going to befriend and perhaps have a romance with an actress from Boston, Nance O'Neill. And Emma will become estranged with her sister over that fact. Lizzie dies in 1927 and asks to be buried next to her father, which she is. And with her money, she gave a large amount of it to a large fund for the care of animals. Today, the Borden home is a bed and breakfast whose motto is where we treat everyone like family. And you can stay in the various suites, including the room where Abby Borden was killed.